What else can you tell me about yourself?
I'm handsome, smart.
Who told you?
Well, me.
You?
And you once. And that's pretty much all I know.
Take off your glasses?
Kelsey being sarcastic, too.
Yeah, is she always sarcastic with you?
Or should I say it like my brother says it? Psychotic.
She's psychotic?
Yeah, very psychotic. Whatever that.
What do you think of your little brothers?
Annoying. Devil in disguises. And very rude.
Do you love them?
Yeah.
What do you love most about them?
They give me somebody to play with.
What is the best thing that happened to you this year?
Best thing that happened to me this year
Or will happen?
will happen. Me being a Boy Scout.
When will you be a Boy Scout?
This Saturday.
And what happens this Saturday?
Blue and gold.
Awesomeness.
Awesomeness isn't even a word.
It is. Anything else?